So, President, I think that one of the things that's sort of preventing my starting this offsec journey is I need to finish uni first, right? I need to finish what I started for my MSc. So that's like I gotta first understand what exactly it is I need to do to finish that off, and then after that's out of the way. Which will require me maybe to do a bit more work as well to ensure that the meets the mark. And I also have to understand what's the highest mark I can get regarding this, because there might be some complications around that. Then after that, then I can start. The start is looking pretty decent, but again at the same time I still need some funding for that, I guess, which is what I'm working on. I've managed to find a solution around that. But then there's also one more problem, right? Because at the end of it, I either go for the osee or I don't. I think I would have to figure out the value it can bring at that point. Because when you think about it, the course in itself costs 18K. That's 18K. That's 18 with 3 zeros. That's a lot. That's a hell of a lot. So I would have to evaluate the value in which at that point that education has brought forth for me as an individual. So it would depend on how much I'm making, and I doubt it's going to be that much by that time, because we're looking at like 2 to 3 years. So that's a cost of like 3 degrees. 2 degrees if you count the living cost. Master's degrees for that matter. So I really have to ask myself, like, is it worth it? Whether I really want to do it. Before it was 5K USD, now it's like 18K. So that just makes things a whole lot very problematic. But then we just have to evaluate as to, given the certs that I would have already gained up to that point, how much is that making for me? I think it's 4 days. It's close to 4 days as well. So there's a choice I have to make. I might have to just skip that. You know. Yeah, because it's a lot more. You know, it's a bit expensive from my viewpoint. I didn't think it was that much these days.